Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie and I'm here to unbox the June 2026 Beauty Heroes box. Let's try that, like that. Please excuse me, it's like, I don't know, it's 9 something at night, 9:30. And I just wanted to like do this video and stuff, so I'm in my like comfy shirt and everything. So this box it was delayed due to issues with Beauty Hero shipping, which I haven't experienced very much. They've been very consistent, but they sent out emails letting everybody know and stuff. So here it is June 12th, and I received it yesterday on June 11th. So it was a bit delayed this month, but that's fine. And I know the brand is Sandor, I believe it's called. And I thought it said it had like 6 products in here or something. So I'm kind of curious to see what's in here. I don't remember what the brand has, but I think it's hair products, but I'm not sure. So I'm excited to open this. So let's open it together. All right. That's what it looks like. Clean off the little thingies, the little packing stuff. And, ooh. Okay, so let's see here. We have, it is hair products so far. I see grounding shampoo. Let me get it out. Whoa. Grounding shampoo. Grounding conditioner. Those look like good sizes. The reusable pump. That's just a pump. The reusable oil pump. The reusable pump again. I think I get this. And the grounding oil. Okay, so 3 products with pumps that they come with. So we've got shampoo, the conditioner, and the grounding oil. And then it seems like each of them has a pump. One for the shampoo, one for the conditioner, and one for the grounding oil. So let's see, it's $147 value. And, okay, so let's check these out. We have the grounding shampoo, which is 250 milliliters. It costs $42. And the superpower ingredients, or what they used to call superpower ingredients, the top ingredients are aloe vera, calendula, oat amino acids, and prickly pear. And it says, formulated with the care and precision of high-end skincare, this gently purifying shampoo cleanses the scalp without disrupting its natural balance. The pH balance formula lifts away buildup while maintaining softness, creating an ideal foundation for hair that feels clean, balanced, and naturally voluminous. Fresh sage and chamomile open the experience with a soft herbal clarity, grounded by subtle cedarwood and a hint of smoky vetiver. With continued use, the scalp feels refreshed and supported, and hair appears smoother and softly lifted at the root. So I'm excited to smell these. You know, that's always my favorite thing with a product is smelling them. And it's nice to get hair products too, because, you know, I have a lot of skincare products, and it's nice sometimes to like sort of get a little break and get like body products or hair products. I think that's fun. So that's what it looks like. The grounding shampoo. Okay, so I always think it's funny when companies like, maybe like they must have made an error on the bottle or something, because they have like a sticker here like for the ingredients. So I always want to kind of, it's funny too, because it shows some of the ingredients there. So like the sticker doesn't cover the whole thing, which is kind of bizarre. Okay, let's open it up and smell it. Oh, look at that. It shot out at me. Did I pick the right one? Okay, this is the shampoo. I think I'll get like more of the experience when I'm in the shower washing my hair. It almost smells like minty to me. What did it say? It says sage and chamomile, grounded by subtle cedarwood and a hint of smoky vetiver. I actually don't really know those scents, really. So maybe what I'm smelling is, well, all of those. anyways, definitely doesn't smell like feminine-ish to me. It smells kind of like a unisex kind of scent, if that's a fair description. Let's see out of curiosity what the pump looks like. That's the pump. I don't know if that goes in there, or I guess that probably. So that would go in there. I'm gonna load them up because I guess I'll keep the cap for some reason. But I'm gonna try them this month, so I might as well get them ready to roll. So there we go. All right, the grounding conditioner, 250 milliliters for $45, so just $3 more than the shampoo. The top ingredients are babassu oil, chamomile, jojoba, and vetiver. It says, designed to condition with intention, this lightweight formula delivers hydration where it's needed while preserving movement and volume. It softens, smooths, and refines texture without excess weight, leaving hair supple, silky, and easy to manage from mid-lengths to ends. Here, the scent settles into something warmer and more enveloping. Gentle woods layered with a touch of chamomile and resin, creating a soft, grounding finish. Hair feels controlled yet touchable with enhanced softness, natural shine, and a polished finish that still feels effortless and true to your hair's natural texture. All right, I wonder if this one's gonna shoot out at me too. That's what it looks like. Oh, that one was very calm. At first, I get almost like no scent. Yeah. I'll be interested to, like I said, I kind of smell these in the shower when they're like combined with water and hot and stuff, you know? So we'll do this pump. Oh, this is the wrong one. I opened the reusable oil pump one. Gotta get all my pumps correct over here. So it comes like that. So we're gonna get that going. Oh, wow. Get in there. Good. I always have leftover conditioner. Actually, just recently during one, like I think maybe the Memorial Day sale, I bought big things of Inner Sense shampoo and conditioner that I'm using to refill. They were like 32 ounces or something, and they were expensive. But it will probably fill my shampoo and conditioner a few times, so it seemed like the most economical way to like buy it in bulk sort of and just refill when I need it. So I did that. That was like my one purchase during I think the Memorial Day sale. Okay, and last we have the grounding oil, which is 76 milliliters for $60, and the top ingredients are argan oil, hemisqualane, blackberry seed oil, and vitamin E. And it says, a refined finishing oil that enhances the look and feel of hair with a smooth, weightless touch. This silky blend softens frizz, adds subtle shine, and brings a polished finish without heaviness or residue. The scent deepens on contact with rich cedarwood, amyris, and guaiac wood layered with labdanum resin for a warm, hair-close finish that lingers throughout the day. Just a few drops leave hair looking glossy, controlled, and intentionally styled, with a finish that feels smooth, supple, and complete while maintaining natural movement and softness. I have to say that I have like a few hair products. I can't remember what the brand was, what the last one of the most like recent hair products was, and it came with like maybe like 3 hair products or something, and I just often don't find myself using like hair oil and stuff. I should try to use it more often, because when I straighten my hair, it would probably like make it nice and smooth and stuff, like even more so than it comes out. But I don't know, it's just like there's certain things that I seem to not use often, like exfoliating my body. I just seem to like not exfoliate regularly, and putting in like a hair oil is something I haven't like gotten into. Oh, that's cool. It has like a little plug. Cute. I do not want to spill this. I like the cork. It's cute. I don't think I've ever had like a skincare product that had a cork in it. I'm really afraid this is gonna go flying, so I'm trying to kind of gently wiggle it out. I wanted to put some on my put some on my hand. It's an interesting smell. I would just absolutely say that these are unisex scents. But it's like, say smoky, what does it say? Rich cedar wood, amorous, and guaiac wood. So it's very like woody. I guess it's woody. I said smoky, which isn't woody, but whatever. So put that on. I guess it's on correctly. And then, okay, so that's cool. It's like a little pump. I don't think I need to do any. It's an oil, you know, for the hair. I don't know if that's why I wonder if it's like my hair would smell like that, like a lot. It smells, it's just interesting. Reminds me of like my husband likes scotch, like almost like a bourbon or a scotch, like that kind of like scent, sort of. Kind of like smoky, like tobacco-y. Interesting. All right, so that is everything. We have the grounding shampoo, the grounding conditioner, and the grounding oil. Cool. Now, I will say, like, them saying there was like, I don't know, maybe they didn't say 6 products. I thought it said 6 products. Maybe it said 6 items, because I feel like that's a little deceiving. I mean, we got 3 products with their pumps, you know? So I have to go back and look at the wording to see what they said, because, you know, maybe I'm just remembering like incorrectly. But I was kind of expecting like 6 products. So whatever. Anyways, it will be fun to try these hair care products and see how they are and stuff, and compare them to what I use, the Inner Sense daily. So we'll see how these compare and how my hair looks and everything. We're dealing with humidity here in Massachusetts in the summer, so we'll see how the hair takes to this. I would love to chat with you in the comments below about these products and this brand, if you've used any of them or know about the brand or anything, or just your thoughts in general. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or found it helpful, and click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted for when the next video comes out. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.